Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, my name is Kaya and I'm coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, November 20th, 2014. In weather today, the village of Schaumburg is expected to have a high of 24 and a low of 11 with sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Facts. Rita,
Christian,
and Juliet. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks play the Calgary Flames tonight at 8 o'clock. The Bulls are playing the Sacramento Kings tonight at 8 o'clock. Clubs meeting today are the First Lego League at 3 o'clock in room 115. The Ancient Cultures Club will meet in room 208 at 11:45. Sports Club, 5th and 6th grade, will not be meeting today. The 4th grade Photography Club will meet in room 104 at 3 o'clock. Today is Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch and get your slice of pizza for only $2. Teachers, please remember to send down the pizza numbers after announcements. Don't forget, every Friday is Spirit Wear Day. Tomorrow, wear any Spirit Wear clothing or wear any clothing with our school colors of blue and white. And now, a PBIS update.
Hi, my name is Lexus and I'm a PBS investor. The cans we have collected in all are 899. We only need 101 more to reach our goal of 1,000. The newest classes that have met their goals are room 203, 112, and 210. Remember to bring in more food. Thank you for helping.
Thank you, Lexus. Here's today's fun fact. Historians say that no turkey was served at the first Thanksgiving. What was on the menu? Deer or venison, ducks, geese, oysters, lobster, eel, and fish. They probably ate pumpkins, but no pumpkin pies. They also didn't eat mashed potatoes or cranberry relish, but they probably ate cranberries. That's all for today. This week's pre-broadcast pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 6th graders in room 211. Have a thrilling Thursday.